This is like one of those sandwiches where you kind of like got that little bit of eggplant left over and you got that little bit of zucchini left over and you're like, what the hell do I do with it? And the trick is, I've cut my zucchini in lengthways, right? I've done the same with the eggplant. And it is very hot in here. And seriously, this is the greatest thing on the planet. And what even makes it even better, a whole mushroom straight on the grill. This is all you do. It's freaking amazing. A drizzle of oil just over the top of everything into that little mushroom pocket. All the juices to go inside it as it cooks. I reckon we cook it. There's no real time of how long you cook this for. You just want that color. You're gonna take the ones that are cooked, check that out. This is when you grab your bread. Get a little splash of olive oil. I know, right? It's a bit cheeky, but this is what we do. Onto the bread. Straight onto the grill. Turn them over and hopefully they're brown, and they are. Oh my God, winning. And let that other side do its thing. This is just, man, if I had a sandwich bar, this would be in the sandwich bar. And you take those little slices. I know, it is gorgeous, isn't it? And you just kind of pop them on the sandwich. It's amazing. This is a beautiful vegan cauliflower taco, AKA I can't be bothered cooking, and this is what you can do with cauliflower, and it's really easy. And so the trick is to kind of get that char kind of grilling, so my pan's on, I want that kind of heat coming through. Come on, baby, cook. All right, so here in goes this little gorgeous situation. The stuff that happens, I tell you, is so funny. It's kind of like the cameraman. The stuff that happens in here is pretty funny. All right, so it's coming down a little bit. It's like kind of like, it's still crunchy, right? And I want it to be crunchy. I really do. I don't want it to melt into mush. Okay, now I'm gonna add my spices in, and just all of them at once. A little splash of water, just like a tablespoon. Oh yeah. Mix it in just to bring it home, which is a little bit of olive oil. It's a couple of things. I'll put a little bit of sour cream on the base, and then I'm going to add my salsa, that cabbage last, and then on there this is like a midweek special where you just don't want to cook anything and you got some random piece of tofu left in the fridge. Seriously, it's that easy. I've got some firm tofu and carrot, some random coriander in the bottom of the fridge, cumin and coriander. That's pretty much all it is. It's that simple. So first I'm going to grate the carrot. I'm gonna add, I'm not even gonna use a knife, I'm just gonna, stalks and all, everybody, stalks and all, just rip this up. I'm gonna add my cumin, coriander powder, my tofu, my corn flour, not tapioca, potato starch, salt and pepper, definitely. Another quick whiz, like seconds, literally 2 seconds. How this has just come together beautifully. I'm gonna make 2 patties because that's all we need is 1 each. So I'm gonna make 1 each, and we don't eat a lot, so. Okay, toss them in breadcrumbs and just sit them aside in the fridge for about 10 minutes until they firm up, and then we're gonna cook them. All right, I'm using cast iron, and I'm using the most amazing cast iron pans on the planet, the most amazing cast iron frying pans that I've ever had in my life. They're called Ironclad, and they are incredible. See how they're not sticking? See that? I'm proud to use these pans and I'm proud to show you how easy it is. Beautiful. This is a low heat. It's holding its heat well. It's super low, allowing it to just cook for 15 minutes. Down to the beach. Oh my God, I didn't think I'm even gonna get to the beach.